known as the Festival of Lights. Although this festival began with Hindus, but light is not confined to any particular community. It always happens that it starts with someone, and then it spreads to the entire cosmos. Be a light unto yourself. What shall you gain by lighting a lamp? The significance will happen when you are yourself a light, when the lamp of your being is lit. You are the embodiment of awareness. You are the light. That is, Buddha said, when someone asked him what is his message, he said, my message is my life. All these years I had spoken, and to condense everything in one sentence, it is Atma Deepo Bhav. Be a light unto yourself. When you fall in love, you remain a child, ever fresh like the breeze, but you remain child. When you fall in love, you remain a child, ever fresh like a breeze. It comes to you in a state of ignorance. And when you rise in love, you mature. And by and by, the same love becomes not a relationship. Instead, it becomes a state of your being. It is not that you love this and you do not love the other. When love attains fruition, when it attains maturity, it is not so. You are simply the embodiment of love. Whosoever comes near you, you share with them. It is like a flower that has blossomed, and its beauty and fragrance cannot be contained, and it is the part of the cosmos. Whatever is happening, whosoever is there, whatsoever is happening, you give your love. You touch a rock, and you touch as if you are touching your beloved. You look at the trees, it is as if you are looking at the beloved's face. It becomes the state of your being. Not that you are in love. Instead, you are the embodiment of it. And this is rising, not falling in love. This is the very essence of the existence of the being. Love, surrender, trust is like swimming. You have to go to the river. You cannot make it a condition that you will not get into the river unless and until you know swimming. If you make that condition, you will never learn, because there is no other way to learn swimming except entering the river. You have to go cautiously, of course, slowly, of course. There is no need to go to the deepest part in the beginning. Nevertheless, enter and find a spot from where you can enter and you can learn swimming, and where you are not afraid to die. Then you will be able to discover the formless in you. That is the very way. That very formless is the center of your being. This is your soul. Love discovers this. Love nourishes this. Soul is a drop, and existence is the ocean. If you experience the drop, you begin to experience the ocean too, because the ocean is hidden in the drop. The two are not different as far as the quality is concerned. Experience this. Suddenly you will realize that a lamp is lit from deep within. Instead of lighting a lamp, you are the lamp whose light will surround your being, and its aura will manifest all around. This is Buddha's assertion, Atma Deepo Bhav. Be a light unto yourself. All your life you have been lighting lamps during the festivity of the occasion of this festival of light or Deepavali. Now do something different. Now begin the journey of being a lamp unto yourself first. Then the rest will happen on its own. Happy festivity, happy Diwali, the festival of lights. Only this much for now.